Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shivangi Lahoti, aka your designer Didi, and I am here today to talk to you about something जो आप सब मुझसे again हमेशा पूछते रहते हैं, which is दीदी ये सब तो ठीक है, फैशन तो ठीक है, बट वो इंटर्नशिप कैसे मिलती है बता दो यार ज़रा। दीदी यार मैंने कब से ट्राई कर रही हूँ पर इंटर्नशिप नहीं मिल रही। दीदी यार कहाँ जाके इंटर्नशिप ढूंढूँ, ऑनलाइन कोई जगह बता दो। I know, I hear all of you, and that is why this video is being made so that I can help you land your first fashion internship. Now make sure you watch this video till the end, like all my videos, because till the end बहुत सारी information और knowledge और ज्ञान आपको मिलने वाला है. But today I'm going to talk about 3 most important intentions that you need to keep in mind before you start hunting for your internships. Because क्या है ना, पहली इंटर्नशिप बहुत स्पेशल होती है और बहुत ज़रूरी भी होती है ढंग से करनी, बिकॉज दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स ऑन योर रेज्यूमे और योर कवर और योर CV, राइट. सो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि जब हम फर्स्ट इंटर्नशिप डिसाइड करें थोड़ा मेहनत करके कैलकुलेटिवली डिसाइड करें. सो दीज 3 intentions will help you get started, and of course after that I'm going to talk about 5 things you should keep in mind when you are applying for your first fashion internship. तो निकाल लो अपनी नोटबुक और चालू करते हैं. Awesome. So the first intention that you need to have very, very good clarity on is that you have the intention to strive. This is so important to understand कि कई बारी होता है initially बच्चों को ना वो craze होता है कि मुझे fashion internship करनी है because I want to put it on my resume. But what you start with a high, it's very important that you end it also on a high note. A lot of time your initial excitement fizzles out, right? आप initially बहुत excited हो, internship मिल गई, मैं ये करूँगी, मैं वो करूँगी, थोड़ी सी कुछ problem हुई, and then that entire energy fizzles out, and by the end of your internship जो कि सबसे crucial part होता है to get a recommendation letter from your employer, वो आपको नहीं मिलता, या कई बार आप complete ही नहीं करते हो और आपको certificate नहीं मिलता, या कई बार you don't perform very well. Try and understand this कि जो आपकी internship है ना, it is like a फ्री स्पेस फॉर यू, जहाँ आप किसी और के एक्सपेंस पे, किसी और के खर्चे पे गलतियाँ कर सकते हो रियल इंडस्ट्री में. सो मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. जितना आप एफर्ट डालोगे उतना आप सीख पाओगे. दिस इज़ द ओनली टाइम इन योर लाइफ जब कोई कंपनी आपको बैकएंड में इन्वाइट करती है कि आओ और देखो हम कंपनी कैसे चला रहे हैं, बिकॉज दे डोंट कंसिडर यू टू बी अ पोटेंशियल थ्रेट येट. एंड आई से इट येट बिकॉज आई एम होपिंग दैट ऑल ऑफ यू वन डे विल बिकम गुड big fashion designers and have your own fashion labels. But until then, ये internships is like a secret backdoor entry on understanding how these companies actually function. So when you're working on it, have the intention to strive, not on day 1, not on day 2 and just day 5, but also till the end of your internship. Point number 2 is your intention to kickstart your career with a vision. It's so important when you're getting started with your fashion career कि एक clarity of thought आपके दिमाग में हो कि आप किस direction में जाना चाहते हैं. कई बार क्या होता है, बच्चे हर तरह की internships के लिए apply कर देते हैं without even knowing if that is what they want to learn or if that is the direction in which they want to build their career. So to have the correct intention before you kickstart your career in fashion is very, very important. Sit down with yourself and ask yourself, what are your interests? Are you really interested in digital marketing or are you just doing it because उसकी opportunities बहुत है? Are you really interested in fashion styling या आपको लगता है सब कर रहे हैं तो मैं भी कर लूँ? Identify what are your core skills. Of course, having said that, this is contradictory because you can't do it. You can't figure out if you really like it or not before you intern and get that opportunity. But what I'm trying to say is that narrow it down to some skills जो आपको पता है आपकी strengths हैं या कुछ जिन चीज़ों में आपका इंटरेस्ट है और आपको लगता है कि इसमें आप कुछ एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं. और अगर आपकी इंटरेस्ट 20 है तो प्लीज़ मुझे मत कहना कि यार मेरे तो 20-25 इंटरेस्ट है, मैं कैसे नैरो डाउन करूँ. आई कांट हेल्प यू देयर. करो फिर 20-25 इंटर्नशिप्स. माई थर्ड पॉइंट फॉर यू इज़ have the intention to learn without chasing money for your first internship. And I'm stressing right now on your first internship because you should get paid as an intern. I haven't gotten paid when I started my journey, but I make it a point. You know, when I was 22 and I started my brand, I made sure even my first intern was on a stipend for 5,000 rupees because that is what I could afford at the age of 22 with my first business. And today, every intern who has worked with me, you'd never hear them saying that they've not been paid. And I strongly feel agar chote companies, small run businesses, homegrown businesses can pay interns, bigger corporates and bigger giants can definitely pay interns. They have the money and isse aapka ghar nahi hota hai, ghar nahi chalta hai. It's just a small amount as a token of appreciation and also respect for the value and the work that you're doing. And I understand all of that. But जो आपकी पहली internship होती है ना, it is very important to be more open-minded about learning, because here you are gaining more than the employer. आप एक्चुअली सीखने ही जा रहे हो. यू आर एट अ स्टेज वेयर यू आर लर्निंग एंड गो विद दैट माइंड सेट. सो इफ इट इज़ अ बिग ब्रांड, इफ इट इज़ अ बिग establishment, or if it is a company that you really have wanted to work with, even if it is a small startup, don't chase money and immediate gratification. Look at the long term picture and just take that first internship, take that plunge. If they are offering you a stipend, nothing like it. पर अगर नहीं भी दे रहे ना, तो इसके लिए internship मत छोड़ देना कि यार stipend नहीं मिल रही है, बिकॉज आप बहुत बहुत लंबी ज़िंदगी जीने वाले हो और बहुत पैसा कमाने वाले हो. अभी फोकस करो अपनी स्किल्स और अपना रेज्यूमे स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए. I hope all of this is clear to you. So now let's quickly get into 5 things you should be doing before you start applying for your first fashion internship. Number 1 on that list is building a strong resume for yourself and a CV for yourself. It's very, very important that you create a CV and a resume for yourself which speaks about all your skills and your strengths. And now that you're applying for your first internship, आपके पास work experience में कुछ होगा नहीं दिखाने को, and that is the reason why I wanted to bring that first. It's important कि you do volunteer work to support not having work experience. Volunteer with NGOs, volunteer with non-profits where you can sort of help them with their social media. You could help them with stitching, sewing, embroideries for the people who come to those NGOs, or you could help them in any sort of support, any sort of volunteer work that you could do, because it's going to be an added plus on your resume. Another thing that you could be doing is applying for competitions, college level, inter-college level competitions, or national, international competitions in fashion and design. You don't have to win these competitions per se, but the moment you apply and the moment you sort of put yourself out of your comfort zone, the hiring manager or the recruiter automatically knows that you're a good fit, because even if you're a first year student in college right now, you're pushing your boundaries and you're exploring new things. The second thing that you should be doing is you should be creating a list of brands that you want to work for. I know a lot of people say कि पहले portfolio बनाओ. I know fashion colleges में, including my college, we were told first build a portfolio, then you'll sort of reach out to brands. But I like to do it the other way, and it has always worked out for me, and that's also something that has worked out for all my students in my academy as well. And that is, first create a list of your top 5 preferences for the companies that you want to work with, and create a list of the good, the better, and the best. राइट. सो द गुड इज़ योर फॉल बैक ऑप्शन कि ये 5 मुझे पता है कि आज के दिन अगर मैं अप्लाई करूँगी तो चांसेस हैं, स्मॉलर ब्रांड्स हैं, ईजियर टू एक्सेस है, स्मॉल टीम स्टार्टअप है, तो 5-6 लोगों की टीम है, तो देयर इज़ अ पॉसिबिलिटी दे नीड द इंटर्न्स, दे नीड पीपल टू वर्क फॉर देम. तो ये इज़ माई बैकअप. देन माई बेटर इज़ 5 ब्रांड्स हु आई फील 5 to 10 years work experience है इंडस्ट्री में इन लोगों का. They are not the best, but they're growing right now. So I have a short chance कि यहाँ शायद एक आध में इक्के दुक्के में कुछ हो सकता है convert. And then I have my best list, right, which is my absolute dream list. Now I'm not saying first internship आपको best में मिल जाएगी. Let's be realistic. मिल गई तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. Please आके यहाँ comment करना और मुझे बताना मिल गई. पर अगर नहीं भी मिलती है तो भी वो लिस्ट है विच इज़ लाइक अ विजन बोर्ड लिस्ट कि यहाँ हमें काम करना है अगले 6 महीने में या अगले 2 सेमेस्टर्स में. आई हैव टू वर्क सो हार्ड दैट आई एम एबल टू गेट दैट इंटर्नशिप विद दोज top 5 brands on my list of brands. Right? So create that list first, because the moment you create that list for yourself, आपके portfolio को, which is step 3, एक direction मिल जाता है. Then you know when you're creating a portfolio for yourself, your initial first portfolio for yourself, you know that if you're reaching out to Indian wear brands, your portfolio needs to have more Indian wear related stuff and more Indian wear related projects in it. If you're sort of in those 10-15 brands that you've shortlisted, if majority of them are western wear, Preth, women's wear label, automatically जो आप projects बनाओगे in your portfolio need to be more women's wear centric, need to be more sort of everyday ready to wear casual wear day clothing, which could go in that portfolio, and when it reaches out to those potential brands, they would be able to place you, right, and think that हाँ यार ये बंदा यहाँ value add कर सकता है. So think from that perspective and then create a portfolio accordingly. And it's very, very important that you tailor make a portfolio in a specific direction. This is another thing that I teach my students in my academy, and I'd like to share it with you here openly, free, because I want you guys to stop making that same mistake. Hundreds of times with my own brand, with Inaya, I have so many students with their Indian wear bridal lehenga portfolios reaching out to me, और their menswear portfolios. मैं नहीं हायर करूँगी यार आपको, मुझे क्या पता आप वेस्टर्न वेयर बना भी सकते हो या नहीं, जब आप मुझे ब्राइडल लहंगों के फोटोज़ बना के भेज रहे हो और उनके शूट्स करके भेज रहे हो. आई एम अ वुमेन्स वेयर प्रेथ लेबल. व्हाई वुड आई बी इंटरेस्टेड इन योर मेन्स वेयर सूट्स एंड जैकेट्स, राइट? आई एम टॉकिंग हियर फ्रॉम एन एम्प्लॉयर पर्सपेक्टिव कि जब कोई आपको हायर करता है, यू वांट टू मेक श्योर कि आप उनके स्टेप्स बहुत कम कर दें, लिमिट कर दें और उनके लिए ईजिली एक्सेसिबल बना दें हर चीज़. Starting from sending links to your portfolio and not adding Google Drives and not adding your portfolios and PDFs into the email, to making sure that you make a custom made cover letter, which is point 4, which tells them that आप में कुछ बात है, that you are actually invested in the brand, कि आपने customize करके उनको एक cover letter लिखा है. Not writing a cover letter तो option ही नहीं है. अगर आप cover letter नहीं लिख रहे हो, it means that you're just being rude. It's like just going and get, मतलब आपने जाके टेबल पे किसी की फाइल फेंक दी है, देख लो मेरी फाइल, है ना, और आप हाई तक नहीं कह रहे हो. A cover letter is your chance to create a good first impression कि they go ahead and click on that link for your portfolio at the end of that email. So make sure you create a customized cover letter for individually each brand that you're reaching out to. And while you're doing all of these things, आपका portfolio is the king. It is your number one marketing tool. So make sure you put in as much effort on your portfolio as possible. Minimum 5 projects, maximum भी 5 projects. The reason why I say this is because we don't want to clutter and make a दुकान there. 5 से ज़्यादा हमें करनी नहीं है, 5 से कम भी हमें नहीं करने हैं, because 5 projects का लीवे चाहिए होता है for any employer to understand the kind of work you do, your versatility, your skill set, आप किस काम में अच्छे हो और नहीं हो, and add 5 fillers. Now on this also, I have made a separate video where I've shared all of this in detail. वो YouTube पे ही है, I'm going to link it here so that you can go ahead and watch it. In fact, there's an entire Your Dream Fashion Life challenge which I'd run free on YouTube. और वो 5 videos अगर आप देख लोगे तो आपको बहुत understanding मिल जाएगी as a first time person how to hire, like how to create your first resume, how to create your first portfolio as a fresher in the industry. So make sure you give that a watch as well. And my 5th and last point is don't give up. Don't give up. I know your first internship is really, really difficult to crack, and we have all this pent up energy and excitement, and we have all of this sort of, high hopes and expectations from ourselves. So don't bog yourself down with that pressure कि मुझे तो perform करना ही था, मैंने कैसे नहीं करा, मैंने 5 companies को apply करा है, 50 को करो, 100 को करो, तब you will hear back from them. If you really want to do it, remember मैंने कहा था intention with a vision. So start with that intention. Create an Excel sheet, create a list of all the brands, उनकी email IDs डालो, phone numbers डालो, reach out to potential people who work in those companies, in the marketing department, in the talent acquisition department, LinkedIn पे reach out करो, बात करो. 100 से बात करोगे ना, तब जाके 5 शायद call back के लिए बुलाएंगे, ये मानकर चलो. और अगर फिर भी नहीं हो पाता है ना, तो फिर पोर्टफोलियो डिज़ाइन का कोर्स ज्वाइन कर लो. बट जोक्स अपार्ट, आई एम श्योर अगर 100 ब्रांड्स को रीच आउट करोगे तो डेफिनेटली कुछ ना कुछ वर्कआउट हो जाएगा. आई होप दिस वीडियो हेल्प्ड यू, एंड आई सी यू गाइज रियली सून. इफ यू एंजॉयड वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, मेक श्योर यू गिव इट अ बिग फैट थम्स अप, एंड ऑफ कोर्स सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. इट हेल्प्स विद द चैनल रीच, और एक कॉमेंट अच्छा सा प्यारा सा छोड़ दो मेरे लिए. आई विल सी यू गाइज रियली सून. बाय.